This is the Hydroshock by Ramcat Broadheads, and this is why you need this head. This broadhead is designed to fly exactly like a field point, so that means less time tuning and more time in the woods. The concave scoop allows body mass to be displaced over and around the broadhead, so you have increased entrance and exit wounds. We actually have back cut technology, so what this will allow the blades to do is pivot forward upon impact, and it'll actually cut on its way back out as the deer is moving. And you'll spend less time trying to track that animal. The Hydroshock by Ramcat Broadheads.
Every piece of gear and every minute of practice backs up one crucial accessory that makes a deadly first impression. Introducing TitaniumX broadheads from TRUGLO. A titanium ferrule provides incredible accuracy and durability. Simply put, tougher metal makes a better broadhead. The titanium tip slices hide and flesh immediately upon impact, and precision sharpened blades deliver devastating damage. Available in a variety of blade configurations, including amazingly accurate mechanical blades and powerful fixed blade designs. TitaniumX broadheads are also available in dedicated crossbow models. TitaniumX broadheads are spin tested and sharpness tested, providing the X factor that skilled hunters deserve. TitaniumX by TRUGLO.
So you want to know what it's like to flip the same light switch for 40 years? To design, cut, build, and assemble millions of broadheads. Pink ones, silver ones, ones that open with ball bearings, and others that just cut like hell. So you want to know what it's like to wear a blue collar and grow a manly beard, to work on machines that get oil on your shirt and grit in your fingernails, to work on machines that spit out product with the precision of Hemingway's words. So you want to know what it's like to be made in America? So you want to know what it's like to push old buttons, to shovel snow during your lunch break, and to sweat over a product people love and trust. So you want to know what it's like to ship the beginning of someone's story, to be the place where it all started, to be the place that they trust. So you want to know what it's like to be made in Connecticut, where it's cold, creaky and old, where the sounds would make our forefathers proud and our enemies jealous. Here, people care and have a first name. Here, it's about products that matter and machines that we know how to fix. Here, it's oil and dirt and noises that fill your soul like music from a hymn. So you want to know what it's like to be built by America? So you want to know what it's like to build with your hands, to craft with your mind, and to reminisce with your soul. So you want to know what it's like to make the old new, to teach the young how to walk in the path of the old, and show someone the heritage that we have all grown to love. And that's what it's like to be built by America.